Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable, ready for occupancy or pre-selling house and lot here in General Trias na malapit sa Cavitex and Calax, please continue to watch this video. But before I go inside, allow me guys to show you our small community along Governor Ferrer's Drive. So this is your community, guys. As you can see, no, ongoing yung construction ng ating mga bahay. We have loft type na house and lot, and also meron tayong duplex na available. Yan. And then meron din tayong gate 24/7 na may security guard to ensure our security and safetyness, no, ng ating mga residents. So ayan. So that's the ongoing na construction and ready for turnover ng mga house and lot. And this is our model unit. So as you can see guys, meron tayong available na one carport, no, for each unit. Ayan. And pwede pa tayong mag-extend, no? As you can see, pwede tayong mag-extend ng sa may harap. And also later sa likod, pwede din tayong magpa-expand pa ng bahay. So pasok tayo. So, upon entry, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. So, cozy lang siya, no? Maliit lang. This is perfect for families na nagsisimula pa lang. And then, kung lalaki naman yung family mo, we are allowed to expand or magpa-renovate ng bahay. So, this is your kitchen. And you have here your toilet and bath. Ayan. And we have a service area sa may likod. So, medyo malaki pa siya. Spacious pa. Yan. Okay? And then pwede ka din magpa-extend dito. Alright, so akyat tayo sa taas. Let's go. So sa second floor, guys, meron tayong a loft, no? One bedroom. So siguro ang pwede natin gawin, yung sofa natin ay sofa bed yung ating gagawin para just in case lang na mayroon tayong bisita or we need extra bed. So may available tayo. So this is your loft type bedroom. Okay? And then at this side, pwede tayong magpa-extend. Yan. Ready for open for expansion naman yan. And also dito sa may likod naman, pwede din tayong magpa-extend. Alright. Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. So once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home.